inside hole number 3, the lion's den. It's as cool as it looks. Wow. Playing Cliffhangers today. It's already raining. Haven't even teed off yet. Another rainy day in the Ozarks. You start off on hole number 1 with a huge downhill putting only experience.
Good hit.
I know it's hard to track here, but I did get it pretty close. I think it's a fun hole. It's like a glorified version of adult mini golf.
The
The whole place, from start to finish, is absolutely stunning. It can be a little alarming the first time, though, when you roll up on this.
You drive through it.
So yes, if you ever find yourself at Cliffhangers, you do drive through these waterfalls intentionally. It's quite fun. Now back to golf and the hole everybody, I think, comes here for. Hole number 3, Lion's Den, where yes, you tee off from inside this cave through a waterfall for a nice downhill par 3. Not a hole in one, but decent enough. Hole 6 is called Bunkers for a reason. Challenge accepted.
Good shot.
Now it's pouring again. Never looked better. This is one of those places, though, where you just play through the rain. I mean, just look at it. Need I say more? So, in the rain, we played.
Get there. Get there.
There you go.
Around every corner is something new to see that just leaves you thinking, wow.
Bam. Nice.
I can confirm there's nothing like this.